Used 2009 Chevrolet Malibu, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a navigation system, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. White's University Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3609 East Grand Avenue, Laramie, Wyoming 82070.